3 hours, nothing yet.
Yeah, maybe because you parked at a bakery.
Oh, man. I spilled it.
Don't sit there, boss. It's a trap.
Who did this?
Detective me. Case closed. Congrats, you just printed yourself.
It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah, fine like your detective skills.
Keep it up and you're back in the cage.
Wow. You watching yourself again?
Just reviewing footage.
Footage of you eating?
Oh, man.
What's that?
Oh, come on.
Oh no! Detective Burke reporting. Promotion, please.
You've got to be kidding me.
Oh, this is the